it was all I hoped it would be. Oh. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike and the MOJO Day Trade Show and the team for today. And it's Monday, the 18th of September. You're looking at little Gibby right there. You know who Gibby is? Little Gibby. Little Gibby. Not the movie. Profitable and Good Timing for the Mojo, starring Pro Trader Mike and Pro Trader Alan and Alex and Pro Trader Ring and Pro Trader Crawford, with a special guest appearance by Pro Trader Pamela Gibby, and that's GBSN, a little Gibby for your portfolio. That's what we did. Added a little Gibby, and Gibby right now is 72 by 75. Here's the Gibby. So this is Gibson on the daily chart. Look, so Gibson did a reverse split. It was up here. Everyone was trading it like 20 cents. So the stock split to like 7 cents to 10 cents and did an 80 for one reverse split, and is now looking like this pattern, which is, instead of the first day going up, it came down and now it's settling. Let me show you the exact stock. I can show you 10 of them that do this. You ready? RGSE, right here on the daily. Go back right here. It did the same boom down and then a 3-day takeoff on the short covering, because eventually all the shorts that do it before the split, they bet for it to go down, so they're in max profits after the reverse split, and then it goes. I could show you 10 other ones. JDST right here. This one actually did a little dip down and then went boom, 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 boom. So I could show you 30 other ones that have done the same pattern. And that's the pattern. So little Gibby, we're waiting for little Gibby to do the same thing. So that's Gibby. Gibby right here is 22 cents and 20 cents. See at 14? See it at 6. So if you take 6 and 7 cents, 0.07, you take the current price of 375, you divide it by 80, it gives you a price of 0.046. So, I mean, it's prime time for the stock to trade volume now and short covering to come in. So that's a swing we have. We have a couple of other ones. New picks for the swing portfolio that came out last night. And you could say hello to everybody today in the room. What's going on? We did great shorts on SRPT after going long. We were short at 53.50, up 1.5 points. Stock right now is 53.66. You could see earlier, so we traded SRPT. It made a move here this morning. You could see the first bar at 9:30 a.m. Let me show you. So at 9:30, the stock was trading right here at $28. Stock opened up here at $28. At 9:50, it went to 28.31, and then it popped here to 52. We traded it long here and long here. Then it dropped, and we had to do a bump trade, and then we got out of it right up in here, and then we shorted it here and shorted it here up at 56. So once we did very successfully, got traded it a couple times and got short once. I said wow at 46.30, sold at 47.50. That's a $1.20 move. Sold at 48.45 off the wow trade play. It's worked 1,002 times out of 1,002 times over 4 years with a 100% win rate. DGAS, we own at 572, sold at 579. SRPT short up 80, SRPT short up $1.50, SRPT short 51. It's the 80 right there. So we had a great short at 53.50, up $1.50. That's it. So we covered half of that, did more, red bang bar. Got some new traders in here today. I keep scrolling to the bottom half of Mike's screen. Is that the way? It is, unless it's full screen. I don't know, Trader Super. Welcome to the room, though. Yeah. You buy it, you get priceless knowledge for life. Well, thank you, Pro Trader Alex, because I'm talking to, we have the final test tomorrow where you guys get your Pro Trader certificates. We got the test. What's this? Little giddy. You want to see what an iceberg order is? Nobody knows what an iceberg order is. See, I did a poll earlier this morning, and 43 people did not know what an iceberg order was. 3 did. So if you don't know what an iceberg order is, let me show you. An iceberg order is an order that is a large single order that's been divided into smaller lots, usually through the use of an automated program for the purpose of hiding the actual order quantity. Breaking down an iceberg order. When large participants, such as institutional investors, need to buy and sell large amounts of securities for their portfolios, they can divide their orders into smaller parts so the public sees only a small portion of the order at a time, just as the tip of the iceberg is the only visible portion of a huge mass of ice. By hiding its large size, the iceberg order reduces the price movements caused by substantial changes in a stock supply and demand. So I teach a little bit of a little something every day, a little education, a little entertainment. We call it edutainment, folks. That's right. A couple other stocks we traded this morning. Plug right off the open from 144 to 150 is right here at the high. I'm the king of the HOD. Right here. Let me see how many times I did HOD today. You ready? Talking about what a PDT. People ask me how do I trade? What kind of account can I have? Here, AMRS, king of the HOD, right there. Selling half a plug, king of the HOD. And it's give me time. And I I'm selling DGAS and I'm selling everything to bump that stock at 44.39. Amazing. UV's going back up a little bit. So that's an iceberg order. I hope you learned a little bit about that's how orderly markets work. What else we got? So this is how you trade a stock that's up 100%. You buy it and sell it. Hopefully you get lucky. You got lucky. What happened was it dipped right there to 41, and we bumped. I sold everything to get in right there because we started buying it up here at 50. Dude, it dumped so hard, it was unbelievable. Thank gosh we held on and didn't take the loss, and it went right back to 51. Allen went from a $1,700 loss to a $511 profit. Let's see how memorizing my memory is, folks. The Rain Man. Watch. Go back to Allen. Allen hasn't been here for 2 hours. I know every price, every stock, everything we've done all morning long. Every day, it's all I do. Watch. Pro Trader Allen. You ready? Watch. Went from a $1,700 loss to a $511 profit. Did I nail it to the number? To the T. To the T. You don't think I can help you trade? Let me know what you do. I remember everything. I won't remember your name, but I'll remember your trades for a long time. Nailed the bottom on DGAS on Friday, and I nailed Allen's numbers. What else do you want? What else? There's like 65 people in here. At least somebody would want something. Gotta have something. Besides winning trades. It's Monday, come on. Monday morning, couldn't guarantee right, nice. Thank you. Great. So let's get rid of this. Move this over. We have NVAX we traded this morning for one trade off the open. And some other crazy stocks. So for the swing, AMRS up 1.9%, already went to 48.4. BIOS up 6.7% right now for the swing. GER up 6.4% for the swing. IDRA up 6.7% for the swing. Every one of these are brand new swing picks that have gone out last night before the market opened today, before anybody knew these would be up like they are, and every single one of them is up. I tell you that right now. I'm a newsletter that says, look, AMRS, you see 46 to 48. Other newsletters would have already told you they sold and they've already taken a 5% profit. It's bullshit. Okay? But doesn't work like that.
For the last time, no.
CPRX, I own it $1.03. It's up 5%. It's going higher. We own that. Okay? The same newsletters that followed me did this MG&A, and we're going to buy this back here at 4. When it went from 4 to 5, they sold it for 10%. Then it went 40% more. These things are penny stocks, guys. The normal fluctuation of a penny stock is 5 to 10%. The normal fluctuation. Okay? You don't take profits on the normal fluctuation. Okay? Because there's not a lot of volume on the normal fluctuation. So MOJO, see this IDRA? Going higher. See GER? Higher. BIOS? AMRIS? That's what I'm talking about. See? Look. There's the daily. Beautiful move. You want to see the daily on BIOS? Look at this. How the hell does Mike consistently do this every single time? Want to see GER? How the hell does Mike know the stock will not crush and go down, and yet he picks it and it goes up the same exact? How does Mike do that? Mike, 3 of them? Are you freaking? These are 3 different stocks, folks. Look, IDRA, GER, BIOS, AMRIS. Do I need to show you any more? Those are 4 picks that went out in the Swing Trade newsletter. Every single dingle one of them. Want to see it? Let's show you. Let's show my audience the swing picks. Here's the cartoon. Guys, pull harder. The free newsletter was right. Yeah. Free. You get what you pay for. Munch, munch. In the bunch, bunch. Let's show you my takeoff picks. First takeoff pick. Ready? AMRIS. Right there. Taking off. Next one. You ready? IDRA. 216. Taking off. GER. 220. Taking off. And BIOS. 275. Taking off. That's the end of the Swing Trade newsletter. And if you were a subscriber, you would be in every one of these picks. AMRIS, BIOS, GER, IDRA, and all the winners. Ching, ching. And now you're in a little Gibby. And you own Gibby cheap, cheap. You know Gibson, the first trade of the entire day was me. I did 500, 400 shares. Go look at your time and sales, folks. Okay? I did 400 shares at 350. I woke up to sell DGAS because I have 2,000 shares at 55, and it was at 70 this morning. So when I sold DGAS, I looked over at Gibby, and Gibby was 341 by 350. So 400 shares on ARCA. So I bought the 400. And it went to 403 this morning. So just on that, it's like beautiful profits. Oh yeah, just on that's $176 that I realized on that one trade. Just from doing it pre-market. Let me show you the trade. 1 minute bar. Let's see if we can nail it. Back this morning. Where was it? Right here. See me, 400 shares at 5:55 a.m. That's me. And then the stock opened up at $4. See that? That's the benefit sometimes of the early bird gets the worm. Mojo, I told you there was 400 shares there. I ain't no bullshitty. Okay, I bought that. That was me. That was Mojo.
Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
That's the Mojo. Nice. Can you paper trade money but also figure out the right broker? I have 50 traders that are on a simulator trading platform right here. So you get this platform that I'm trading on, very similar to it, and it gets loaded up with $30,000 of buying power. You can buy UV's flying. Look. Yo, Sash! Who's the man now? Sash. Who's the man now, Sash? Huh? Told you to freaking buy a bunch more of that crap all this morning, right? Sash, you there, buddy? Yeah, boy.
Yeah, baby.
Right? Right? Yeah, boy. Sash there? Sash is partying out somewhere. Guys, DGAS is cheap. I like cheap. I like cheap in the DGAS because I sold it at 79. We rebuy it back at 70. 569.70, DGAS rebuy. This will be the 17th time in a row we've made money on DGAS. 17 times in a row. That's nice. Let me tell you, Hall, you there? Listen to this 9 holes I played yesterday. You ain't gonna believe these shots, dude. You there? Psycho Bunny. Yeah. Hall, you there? Hall ain't even there. Let me see. Who's here? Yeah, he is. Yo, Hall. You there? Sitting right there. You guys don't hear me? Hello? Hello? Pro Trader Hall. Yeah, go for it. You can do that. Yo, Pro Trader Hall. Hide in my room. Yeah. I don't know what he's doing. But I gotta tell you what I did anyway. First hole, par 5. Driver. Crushed right down the middle. Next shot, 7 wood. 210. Beautiful high draw. So nice. Next, 112. Little downhill. Pin up front. I hit a gap wedge, my 52. 122 with 3 on the spin back if I hit it hard. So I said I'm gonna do a 3/4, not crush the A wedge, but I'll take a little off of it. It should go around 105 because I didn't want to hit the sand wedge, which goes 105 with 3 on the pullback, because then I'd roll off the front. So I hit that wedge, dude, right over the top of the pin, 10 foot on the way back, par, 2-putt. Beautiful. Good start. Next hole. The signature hole on the course. Downhill. Downhill. Shot 235 to the pin, par 3. So I hit my 5-wood, making believe I was in my kitchen, swinging, just as I do in my kitchen swing. Whenever I swing in my kitchen smooth, I go to the course, I close my eyes, I make believe I do the same swing I do in my kitchen, and there's no club in my hand. And that swing produced a shot with my 5-wood that sent it 235, 6 feet from the pin. 6 feet. And I missed the birdie. Okay? Next hole. Even par. Go in. I got filled on DGAS 569. Next hole. Par 5. The back tees carry over the ravine. It's 270. So I hit it 290 and I'm 20 yards past the ravine. I hit my 7-wood again, 210, and I am 42 yards from the pin. And I stick it with my my lob wedge. I have a 3-notch, 25, 50, 75. I hit my 50 and I hit it 2 feet away and I birdied the hole. And I'm playing the back tees. People are letting me play through in a single. Next hole, foursome lets me play through. They're all playing from the blues. I destroy a drive from the blacks, from the tips. And they're all up by the green because it's a drivable par 4. I've driven this with my 3-wood before. And I go out there and I'm 108. The shot I hit on the first hole, the gap wedge, same exact shot. Stuck it. 8 foot. Missed it. Had a nice birdie opportunity. Could have gone 2 under right there. Still 1 under. Next hole, par 3, downhill, pin in the front, 100, and it was 106. I hit the same exact shot. I came over the top a little bit because I swung a little harder because it spins back, and it spun back like 7 feet. I had a 12-footer for birdie, missed it. Still even par. Next hole, par 5. They have 3 par 5s on this 9. Next hole, carry 270 for the ravine again. Destroyed a drive 290 easily over the ravine. And the tees were up 20 feet. So the back tees, I still would have made it over the ravine. Next shot, 7-wood again, 210. It's a 17 degree. I hit it 210 again with a high, sick-ass draw. I hit it it's my 200-yard shot. I hit it unbelievable with my eyes closed. Bathroom swing, kitchen swing, it rips it, just like my 5-wood. So then I'm right by the side of the green, and I chip it 3 feet. Tap in for birdie, 2 under. Next hole, par 3, straight uphill, can't see the green, only the top of the flag stick, but there's a big Wi-Fi tower in the background that I aim at. 185 uphill, and I stroke a 5-iron. I make everything disappears. I say, swing it like my pitching wedge, like that 52. Hit the same, make believe I got the 50, and I go up there and I poof, high, beautiful baby draw. I go up there 7 feet from the pin. Missed the putt. I could have been 3 under, it lipped it, 3 under. Next hole, same thing, boom, boom, par. Next hole on the way in, par, and that was it. I shot 2 under. I could have shot 3 under. Next hole last hole was driver, 7 wood, sand wedge on, 2 putt finished, or 2 under. I could have been 4 under. It was nice. You see how I remember every single shot, every putt, every single shot, every shot. On my distances, I dialed into the yardstone. Nice. All right, guys. We got some people here. Should I take the poll? You think someone may help me out here and take the poll in my room? It's such a, it's like trying to pull, you're like in the dentist chair right now. It's like I'm trying to pull teeth. We traded UVXY. We traded SRPT. We traded DGAS and Little Gibby. So with the results of today's trading, 919. How'd everyone do today? Let's take a little look. Well, that's moving up. We'll see what DGAS. I'm going to sell at 74 again. I love selling at 74 on DGAS. Love it. So we got a high-low list every day on my website, like 6-7 times a day. You'll always see which stocks are the biggest NASDAQ gainers, the NASDAQ most actives, the NASDAQ losers, and the NASDAQ winners. Let me show you. So if you go to my website, let me just update it right now. It's moving right now, the DGAS. So if you go to, let's see here, that didn't work. MOJODayTrading.com, right here. Well, it's moving, 74, I'm selling right here, guys. And you go, and you should bookmark this page. I'll let you know when I get filled. I filled. So day trading right here, and go to daily watch list. And then scroll down. You can either scroll down or click it. And it's right here. It has the NASDAQ actives, the gainers, the losts, and the lost actives, all in order from highest to lowest. All for your enjoyment. But wait, there's more. Every day I have the show, the Mojo Show, right here, so you can watch that too. And then I have all these awesome updates on all the great stocks and news that's going on with them for the day. And if you love the Mojo, you can always join. I also have the Day Trade Show. The show is awesome because you're listening to it now. And I'll update today's. And here is over hundreds and hundreds of great topics, videos, and so forth on the Mojo. So I'll get all that going for you, but I gotta sell some more DGAS, little DGAS. Always do nice live trades with you all. Whenever my audience is watching. Sold 574. By the way, when you buy 10,000 shares at 70 and you sell it at 74, that's $400. You do 1,000, that's $40. That's a nice chunk. That's a nice coin. Just by watching this video and trading with the Moj. That's right. So 6 people made $1 to $500. Thank you for participating in that. 1 person made $1 to $2,000. 1 person in the demo made money, and everybody else observing and watching. Great to be a member of the Mojo Day Trade team. Thank you, everybody, for watching the show. You learned what an iceberg order is. You learned how to trade on Mondays, a stock that's up 100%, which is SRPT. Everyone made money in it. We had a close one, and that's about it. So with that said, Pro Trader Mike, Mojo Day Trading, peace. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you tomorrow.